A new day, something funny. Let's try to fix this little guy. This is a kind of radio MP3 player, and it's looking like it doesn't keep the charge anymore. Well, it's a funny little device. It can be used like a wake up clock and so many other stuffs. Is it starting? On? Nothing? No power, anything. We have the right cable here. Let's see what's happening. Let me have a battery and power on. We have like 60 milliamps of power, but nothing on the screen. Okay, let's try to dismantle. Oh yeah. Okay, it's just going out. Oh, that's the loudspeaker. Look, something interesting here. There is another loudspeaker. Is this a loudspeaker? Interesting. Okay, so everything is the other side. Let me take this out. Yeah, there we go. Battery. We have the switch, the on-off switch here. There's the one. Maybe it's something wrong with this guy. Okay, let's power it on. Nothing. On the battery, same. 60 milliamps and 0. Yeah, we have a kind of power needs, but nothing on the screen. Alright, this is an interesting thing. I never saw anything like this in devices. And I think this is a metal. Can be a magnet? Let's see. No, it's not. But anyway, it's kind of iron. Possible a little magnet. But anyway, this is a kind of passive membrane working in conjunction with the loudspeaker. Well, I'm pretty sure the battery is ruined, but it doesn't explain why this guy is not starting anymore. It went up just a little bit, 100 milliamps. If we take it like that, on, it's up, off, it's down. 50 milliamps and 80 milliamps, 100. Let's start with the battery. I don't want to cut it. Let me see what's happening in here. Do we have a BMS? Oh yes, we have a BMS. Oh, look there, it's rusty. It's what's happening here. It's dramatic. Yeah, this is so gone. Minus and plus. And my good people, finally we have a use of this recovered. If you remember, this is a recovered cell. We can use that for our experiment. Okay, that's the, for sure, minus, of course. And now let me have the plus in place. Come on, stay there. Okay. Pam pam, and it's working. Can you believe this? Look at this guy. Okay. I'm not sure if I have enough space for the battery in there. That's the screen. What we got here? Menu. Oh my. Chinese, of course. Tools. Calendar. Auxiliary. Okay. I don't see any Bluetooth. Maybe there is no Bluetooth. But it's working. Okay, let's put the battery. By the way, let's see the charging current now. Nothing. Let me try another battery. What about this guy? It's not charging or what? Of course, no more battery. Oh yeah, now we are talking. 200, 230, 250 milliamps. Yes, it's charging properly. Okay, let's go back here. Well, you see, it's not starting without the battery. Interesting. Do we have enough space for this inside here? Think so. Okay, we'll see. Okay, let me have some tape. Interesting stuffs in here. 80 something. Lot of electronics, in fact. This is a connection for the antenna. I thought it's headphones, but no, it's connecting the external antenna for FM. I think we can start this from the buttons, and that's a kind of general. Okay, now I got it. If you press this long, it's goodbye. If we press it again, it's starting. Yes, of course. Okay, so that's on off right here. Don't we have any other language? It's just Chinese. We got FM people. So funny. Let's improvise an antenna. Well, this is crazy. I got a lot of radio disturbance here. Let's see if we can reach the local station. That's on 90. What? No. Come back. Well, I'll figure it out. The most important thing is that the battery is solved, and what else? We are using one of those recovered cells. This is very important. You see, that's the one I recovered from the streets, I may say. And so far, it's working. I have to find the right position for this battery inside there, because I don't want it to touch that resonance or Okay, so how can we get the station here? That should be fine. For now, it's okay. It's working. And all I have to do is to have this back in place with some glue. Let me see. I don't want to use any hard glue like super glue or whatever. I'm using this kind of rubber glue. That should do the job. Okay, that's fine. And here too, nice and tight. Well, that's a fix. Off, and let's charge the device. Let's see if it's charging. Do we have the charging light? Yes, it's charging. Look there. Okay, we got the charging light here. Okay, so that's it for today. It was just fun stuff. Finally, I got something to do with that recovered cell, if you remember. And of course, if you consider, please subscribe, like, and why not, I'm waiting your comments too. And of course, the most important thing, don't forget, have fun. Bye bye.